The One Ring, also known as the Ruling Ring, is a central artifact in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. Created by the Dark Lord Sauron in the Second Age, the ring was intended to control Middle-earth's free peoples. The ring is inscribed with the couplet, "One ring to rule them all, one ring to find them, one ring to bring them all, and in the darkness bind them." In The Lord of the Rings, Gollum was originally a hobbit named Smeagol who was corrupted by the One Ring. Smeagol's friend Deagol found the ring while fishing. Smeagol Deagol to get the ring. Smeagol hid in the caves of the Misty Mountains for 500 years. The ring poisoned Smeagol and turned him into Gollum. Gollum became deformed and twisted in body and mind by the ring's corruption. Gollum's name came from the sound of his gurgling, choking cough. The ring poisoned Smeagol and transformed him, and in the end destroyed him.